My name is Sarah Jane Hyde. My company is Buddi and I'm based in Plymouth, Devon. And I sell a product that I've invented called the Bottle Buddy. The Bottle Buddy is a lightweight, water-resistant pouch. You put the water bottle into the Bottle Buddy and it poppers around the handle of the book bag, allowing the parent or the child to carry the water bottle and book bag with one handle. I was the first female soldier in the Royal Engineers and the only girl for 2 years actually. Toughened me up, that's one thing. It was pretty hard mentally. When I left the army, I moved around from place to place. I had all these jobs, and it wasn't until I had my daughter, I moved back to Plymouth as a single parent, and I realised if I wanted to be a working mum and I wanted to be a family mum, that the self-employed way was the way to go. We became very familiar with the school run, carrying everything to and from school. I realised that there wasn't something out there that I could attach to the book bag so the water bottle didn't spill, so I thought I can make this myself. Yeah, my mission for Bottle Buddy is, as it's always been, to carry on helping parents on the school run and making school life simple, to promote drinking water. It is vital that our children in schools now drink at least 2 bottles of water a day. Using a Bottle Buddy helps them to remember their water bottle and helps them to drink more. What I like about eBay and selling on eBay as a business is the process is so easy. It's so simple to upload your items, to take things down. When a customer goes on, they know that they're in safe hands as well. It's so simple for customer and business owner. I'm hoping to bring out a few more products in the future. Looking at the special needs sector, people with disabilities, maybe using wheelchairs and mobility scooters. And so I'm really excited to see where my future with eBay will take me.